So we'll head downstairs here to the family room here, which is where most people are going to spend most of their time. You got a fully refinished room with a beautiful brick-faced fireplace with storage. Also a ceiling fan, keeps it nice and cool. Here we have the laundry room, which is a great sized room. Most times people end up using these rooms to come through the house. You can keep your shoes, your dirty clothes as you walk in to get to the house.
Like a mudroom.
As we walk out, we have a great patio out back, covered with lighting, nice E.P. Henry wall, and great livable space out here.
Wow, lots of space for hosting like summer barbecues, cookouts. Kids can be running around while the adults are sitting enjoying food and adult beverages.
The best part about this neighborhood is that there's one way in and one way out. So you're not going to get a whole lot of traffic unless the people live here.
Yeah, and it looks like you got families on both sides.
Yeah, so back here, we wanted to make sure that it was supported correctly. So we put in new 6x6 posts on new shoes and properly made connections to support the roof.